How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So if you are on an Android phone, the first thing I want you to do is go to your Play Store. After going to your Play Store, look for update. See if you have the latest version of app or not. If you see any available updates, just tap on update and that should work for you. If that doesn't work, what I want you to do is just go to the settings of your app. For that, you just need to tap on settings. After that, scroll down until you find the apps option. Just tap on apps. And here, search for the particular app. We're looking for Microsoft Authenticator, so we're going to look for that app. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, just scroll down a bit and go to storage. After going to storage, you will be able to see the option called Clear Cache. Just tap on Clear Cache and see if that works. If that doesn't work, I want you to clear your data as well and reset everything on the app. After that, the last thing I want you to do is, if this process doesn't work, then just long press on it and uninstall the application. Confirm your installation and get back to Play Store. After getting back to Play Store, I want you to reinstall the application into your device, and that most likely should fix your issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, then the problem is on your phone, not on the app. So therefore, in this way, you can fix your Microsoft Authenticator not working on your device. So hence, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.